DaVinci for beginners. So easy. Okay, so I want to show you how the surface tracker works in DaVinci Resolve. What the surface tracker do, it can track movement surfaces like fabric, skin, fur, and those type of things. It's pretty cool. You can put any logo on a t-shirt or you can put a tattoo on a face. It works pretty well in automatic settings, only with a few clicks. You will get smooth results super fast, and the surface tracker it is available only in studio version. So let's show you how to use the surface tracker. Select the clip that you want to use, just drag it and drop to our timeline. For this video not to be too long, we're gonna make this clip shorter. Just trim it and press right click, create new fusion clip. Navigate to the Fusion tab. All the way on the left side, navigate to the Effects tab. On the search bar, you can type Surface Tracker. And the first effect that will pop out, just drag it and drop to our yellow line. Next thing that we're gonna do, we need to draw a shape. Clean the effects so we have more surface area. This is our target area. So let's draw a line. You can draw any shape that you want. In this case, I will try to draw a square. This is the area that our transparent image will go. Next thing, go to track and click track forward. I will skip this part so you don't need to wait. You can see how DaVinci created a mesh. It's always doing a pretty good job. So now just drag and drop our PNG. Make sure to connect the dots. And there we go. Our image is applied, but we need to scale it down. We are going to use the transform tool. Just click on it and the node is automatically created, and scale it down accordingly to your t-shirt or subject. For your PNG to look natural, like it's printed on the shirt, you can select the surface tracker, go in Resolve and Compositing. Over here in Type, you can choose Soft Light for more natural result, but in my case, normal, it's just fine. And that's it. This is pretty cool, right? It's insane how good it works. Only in a few minutes, just like that. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next one.